triple point of water, and this is how things varies. So this is the triple point of water, which is at 611 Pascal and at a temperature 273.16 Kelvin. And in this state, the water is in solid state, that is ice. Here it is in liquid state, and here it is in vapor state or the gaseous state. And you see the intersection of this point, solid and liquid, it determines the freezing point. Liquid and vapor, they intersect at what point determines the boiling point. So there is a concept over here that what is effect of increase in pressure on the freezing point. So you can see that here, if we increase the pressure, you can see that this coordinate gets shifted to the towards the lesser values. So we can analyze that if we increase the pressure, then there is a corresponding decrease in the intersection point or the freezing point. So we can say that more the pressure, lower has to be the uh, freezing point or the melting point. Whereas if we increase the pressure, you see, if we increase the pressure, then the boiling point will increase on increasing the pressure, or you can say that more energy will be needed to make water convert from liquid to the gaseous state. So this is analysis for that. These are called the indicator diagrams. So this is a proper schematic representation of this. Now here we have another question on the calculation of heat flow through a slab of ice. So you just use Fourier's law over here that heat is K delta T by delta X. There are calculations involved on that. Now there is another discussion on another question. There is a system of 4 charges, and we need to calculate the work done. So work done is final minus initial potential energy. It is work done by the external force. So if we analyze the potential energy, so there are 6 pairs for them. We calculate potential energy for each pair, and initially they are at infinite. So potential energy here is 0. So the work done after calculation comes out to be this much. Now there is another discussion video on the concept of electrostatics. So electrostatics is about electric charge and at rest with respect to observer. So electrostatics is about all the observations which were made by an observer according to whom the charge is at rest. So electric charge, now coming to the point of electric charge, it is something by virtue of which bodies tends to repel each other. Now there is